Magandang araw, ako nga pala si Socially Awkward VA at alam mo yung common scenario sa mga gustong mag-start as a virtual assistant is 'di ba gusto mong mag-start as a VA, gusto mong mag-apply at gusto mong kumita, pero sinasabi mo sa sarili mo na hindi pa ako ready, magpa-practice muna ako, maghihintay pa ako ng tamang timing. Pero habang naghihintay ka at habang nagpa-practice ka, may ibang tao na hindi ready pero nagsimula pa rin. And guess what? Sila yung mga tao na nagkakaroon ng mas malaking progress and sila yung natututo while doing the things. Like learning while doing the thing. That's the right term. And let's be honest, yung ready na feeling is a trap. Yung feeling na ready ka is a trap. Kasi rarely naman dumadating yung feeling na yun o rarely mo naman, nararamdaman na ready ka na para sa isang bagay. Kasi 'pag may natutunan kang isang skill, may bago na naman. May naging confident ka sa isang bagay, may next level na naman. And 'pag nag-improve ka, mas nagiging aware ka kung ano yung mga bagay na kulang mo. So kung hihintayin mo yung moment na ready ka na 100% is hindi darating yung moment na yun. Because yung growth sa buhay ng isang tao ay walang finish line. Yung growth is a lifetime thing and you always have to grow. So bakit napakaraming taong nagwe-wait pa rin kahit yung pagwe-wait will actually keep you stuck on whatever situation you're in right now. Kasi yung waiting nagbibigay siya ng feeling na secured ka and wala kang risk na tinitake 'pag naghihintay ka. Walang rejection na nangyayari sa'yo on interviews or discovery calls. Walang embarrassment na nangyayari on interviews and discovery calls, let's say that. And then walang failure na mangyayari sa'yo kasi naghihintay ka lang and hindi ka naman pumapasok sa mga interview. Pero the bad thing about this naman is walang progress. Walang progress na nangyayari sa'yo dahil naghihintay ka lang. Dahil habang naghihintay ka, wala kang clients. Habang naghihintay ka, wala kang feedback. Habang naghihintay ka, wala kang experience. And wala kang improvement loop. And here's the truth naman kasi is hindi ka nagiging ready by thinking about it. Nagiging ready ka by doing things. So you need to do things for you to be ready and the perfect timing will not really come. You create your own perfect timing. And for me, perfect timing is every day. So marami kasi sa mga beginners, iniisip nila 'pag nag-aral pa sila ng mga bagay na related sa pagiging VA is mas magiging ready sila. 'Pag nanood pa sila ng mas maraming tutorials and courses is, mas magiging ready and prepared sila to become a VA. And 'pag perfect na yung portfolio na ginagawa nila is magiging ready na sila. And that is when they will start taking actions. Ayun yung iniisip nila. Pero ang reality is pwede kang mag-prepare buong buhay mo, pwede kang mag-prepare forever and still feel unready para sa mga bagay-bagay. Kasi yung preparation without action becomes procrastination in disguise. It gives you that feeling of being productive when you're preparing or when you're watching tutorial videos or when you're watching courses. Pero the truth is you're not making any progress. Mas nakakaroon pa rin ng mga progress yung mga tao sa iyo na nagte-take ng action kahit hindi pa sila ready or kahit hindi pa perfect yung resume or kung ano man nila. Mas mas madami na yung progress na nagawa nila compared sa'yo. So, what does ready actually looks like in real life? So, redefine natin yung ready. So, yung pagiging ready, it doesn't mean na alam mo lahat ng bagay, alam mo lahat ng tools, alam mo yung gagawin sa lahat ng bagay. Being ready doesn't mean na walang mistake, wala kang pagkakamali na magagawa on your tasks or on your job. And being ready doesn't mean na confident ka 100% na kaya mong gawin lahat or kung ano man yung bagay na tina-target mo. So, being ready actually means na kaya mo magsimula kahit hindi perfect yung mga bagay-bagay o kahit hindi pa perfect yung resume mo, kahit hindi pa perfect yung portfolio mo, kahit hindi pa perfect yung subject title and cover letter mo, is nagsimula ka pa rin because you know yourself, you know deep down na pwede mo lang to ma-improve and pwede mo lang to ma-refine on the process of you submitting your applications. In the middle, um, puwede mong palitan ng resume mo, puwede mong i-update yung portfolio mo, yung cover letter mo and your subject title if you like. So that's it. That's the real definition of being ready na the real definition of being ready is kaya mong magsimula kahit hindi perfect. Kasi the truth is in freelancing and in the VA industry, yung mga client hindi nila kailangan ng mga perfect na mga VA. Ang kailangan nila is progress, ang kailangan nila is makita yung effort mo, and kailangan nila ng reliability. Kailangan nila na reliable ka. If you keep waiting to be ready or to feel ready, yung mga mangyayari is yung confidence mo is hindi siya nag-i-improve, hindi nag-grow yung confidence mo. Yung fear mo of applying or fear of interview or discovery calls is mas lumalaki siya and ayun, mas nagiging bigger siya. And yung overthinking mo is it becomes like a normal thing for you. Like araw-araw talaga nag-overthink ka na about applying or about getting on interviews and getting on discovery calls. And because of that, starting feels heavier over time. Mas mahirap na siya para sa iyo mag-start over time. Kasi the longer you wait, the more important starting feels. So, parang nagiging important na na magsimula ka the longer you wait for it. And because of that, the more pressure it builds. And then the more pressure it builds, the harder it becomes to begin. Until it gets to a point na hindi ka na lang magsisimula dahil doon. So, ito kasi yung truth that most people miss. If you don't feel ready, you just have to act. So, pag hindi ka ready, just act. Mag-create ka lang ng actions or gumawa ka lang ng action. So, you need to act first before you become ready. That is how you become ready. So, for example, on your first application, you feel awkward. And then on your 10th application, you feel more clearer. On your 30th application, you feel more confident. And then on your 60th application, you feel more natural. So, same person, but different level of readiness. Kasi readiness is built through repetition and not through thinking and not through reflection. So, instead of waiting to feel ready, ito yung dapat mong gawin. Ito yung dapat mong gawin. Mag-send ka ng applications kahit kinakabahan ka. I-build mo yung portfolio mo while applying at the same time. Pag-aralan mo yung you need to learn while doing your tasks. So, habang ginagawa mo yung tasks mo, you learn at the same time. You adjust based on feedback. So, kung meron kang feedback sa mga applications mo, you adjust yourself or you adjust the way you approach things. And then you repeat this daily. You repeat just sending applications daily and you repeat all these things daily. Kasi every action gives you data. Kahit anong action pa yan. And data removes uncertainty. Kasi yung uncertainty, yun yung nagbibigay sa iyo ng feeling na hindi ka ready. So, ito yung final truth. Being ready is not a decision. I mean, being ready is a decision and not a feeling. Ayan, uulitin ko, yung pagiging ready hindi siya isang feeling, pero isa siyang desisyon. So, kung naghihintay ka na maging ready, baka maghintay ka habang buhay. Pero 'pag nag-decide ka na mag-i-start ka kahit hindi ka pa ready, merong magbabago sa'yo. Dahil ngayon, hindi ka na isang beginner na naghihintay lang. Isa ka ng beginner na nagbi-build. And yung mga tao na nananalo sa freelancing or VA industry ay hindi yung mga tao na naging ready muna, pero yung mga tao na nagsimula muna and became ready along the way. Again, ayun lang. This is Socially Awkward VA and peace out.